right, first thing we'll do is get this top brace off here so we can pull this tank out of here and start getting to the rest of these bolts. You got 2 bolts here, comes right out. All right, got the bracket off. I'm gonna pull this gas tank out of here. Simple. All right, so we got it stripped down. We got the front end all taken apart. That was only like 8 screws. As a matter of fact, that's sitting right there. We got to replace on that. We got the transmission get ready to come out now, and that was 10 screws, 6 on the bottom, 2 on each side. So 10 screws for that. And then, like I said, just be careful when you release your upper trailing arm bolts, which bolts up right up in here. Once you release that, this rear end wants to flip over on you. So just be careful of that. All right, so like I said, this is in here loose right now. Pull it out. And this is your transmission module. That's simple. 6 screws on the bottom, 2 on this side, 2 on this side. Well, it looks like 3 on that side. I guess because the trailing arm goes through there also. So what was that? 3, 6, 12 bolts. Now for this whole rear end will come off in one piece. We got a bolt here, and this whole rear section will come right on off. All right, so I got a little carried away with taking parts off. I forgot to take pictures, man. I'm sorry, guys. But here's the chassis, man. We got everything off. Right here, the parts here. All right, so we got the center brace here. We got the front belt crank assembly here. Transmission, the whole front end. And then back here, we got the whole rear end comes off with just 2 bolts, really. 2 bolts there, and this whole back end comes off. All right. So it's time to take this chassis, throw it in the trash. Like, nah, just joking. We're going to throw this in the bag. And we're going to get that fresh, brand new tail RC billet, milled, beautiful chassis up here. And there it is, guys. This thing, I'm telling you, it's a work of art. Man, this is, to see this in person, I mean, you really got to see this in person to really appreciate this. Video, pictures don't do it any justice. I know it looks good even in this camera, but this does not do it justice. You have to see this in person. But that's it for today, man. I'm going to catch you guys on the next one. We'll have another series on this, of course. You know, we'll keep rocking and rolling on this. I think next up, I think we'll get the front end assembled. All right, we'll get all this front end assembled with the new bulkhead. I'll see you on the next one. All right, out.